The Espresso Martini. It's in your face, it wakes you up, but it messes you up. If it was a person, it would have a Coke habit. Quick overview of the ingredients. Today we're using another creation from the legendary Dick Bradsell. This is one of the most popular cocktails in the UK, and I'm sure it has a good following around the rest of the world. Okay, now start out by chilling your glass. You can do this by either putting it in the freezer, or as I am here, I'm just putting some ice cubes in and then filling it up with water, as this helps it cool quicker than just using conventional ice and waiting until you retire. What's really sad about this cocktail is Dick Bradsell sadly passed away in 2016, and this cocktail has seen a massive surge in popularity in recent years, so let's do this recipe some justice and ditch the shitty cans of pre-made cocktails. In the shaker add 2 ounces of vodka. Okay, for this cocktail I'm using Polish Rye vodka that was used in the original recipe. This brand is Wyborowa. I'm not a big vodka fan, but this is a good drop and reasonably priced, or just use whatever you can get your hands on, providing it's not one of those like flavoured vodkas. This cocktail can trace its roots to Fred's Bar in the 1980s, when a model approached Dick Bradsell and asked for a cocktail that would wake me up, then fuck me up. And can you guess which model it is? Apparently it's neither Naomi Campbell or Kate Moss. Anyway, she sounds like a classy broad, whoever it was. They then add half an ounce of Kahlua, or any sort of coffee liqueur, 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. You could omit this if you don't want it to be too sweet. And then add 1 ounce of espresso. If you don't make it yourself, make sure you support your local coffee shop or street barista. Add plenty of ice. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Then discard the water and the ice in the glass. Then strain into the glass. You have to treat this a little bit like a pint of Guinness and allow the ingredients to settle, but it doesn't take too long. Thinking back, models had it rough in those days, especially when they had to live off a diet of Marlboro Reds, Coke and lettuce leaves. This would have been a treat for them. Garnish with 3 coffee beans, and don't faff about or you mess it up. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most of all enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.